This is the story called Bat Learns to Dance. It's story time. It's story time. Look, listen, learn. Once upon a time, in a deep, dark cave, a cold little bat shivered like that. She dropped from her sleeping place way up high and landed silently on the ground. "I'm so cold," said the bat. "I wonder if I could find a friend, someone who could help me get warm." She shivered and she shook and she stepped out of the cave to have a look. Crunch went her feet on the cold frosty ground, and then to her surprise, a friend she found. She was red with black spots and lying on a leaf. Do you know who she was? "Ladybird, Ladybird," called the bat, "I'm feeling cold. Could you help with that?" "Well," says the ladybird, "when I feel cold, I flap my wings like this." She went flap, 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 flappity flap, flappity flap, flappity flap, 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 flappity flap. I flap around like this. "Oh, could I try that too?" said the bat. "Could you try it too?" The bat went flap, 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 flappity flap, flappity flap, flappity flap, 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 flappity flap. I flap around like this. "Thank you," said the bat. "That was really kind." Crunch went her feet on the cold, frosty ground, and then to her surprise, a friend she found. He was bigger and furrier, with big ears and long feet. Do you know who it was? It was the rabbit. "Rabbit, rabbit," called the bat, "I was feeling cold. Could you help with that?" "Oh, well," said the rabbit, "when I feel cold, I hop around like this." He showed her. He went hop, 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 hoppity hop, hoppity hop, hoppity hop, 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 hoppity hop. I hop around like this. "Join in," said the rabbit. And so the bat did. Can you join in too? Hop, 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 hoppity hop, hoppity hop, hoppity hop, 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 hoppity hop. I hop around like this. "Wow," said the bat. "I know 2 ways now to keep warm." Crunch went her feet on the cold, frosty ground, and then to her surprise, another friend she found. She was long, very long, and she popped out from the ground. Do you know who she was? "Worm, worm," called the bat, "I was feeling cold. Could you help with that?" "Well," says the worm, "when I feel cold, I wiggle around like this. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. I wiggle around like this." "Join in," said the worm. And so Bat started to dance. Can you join in? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. I wiggle around like this. "Oh, thank you," says the bat. "That was kind. Now I know 3 ways to keep warm." So feeling happy, the little bat walked all the way back to her cave, and when she got there, there was her mom. And the little bat said, "Mom, I was feeling so cold, but now I know 3 ways to keep warm. Can I show you?" And the little bat showed her dance. Will you join in? "Mom, I can go flap, 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 flappity flap, flappity flap, flappity flap, 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 flappity flap. I can flap around like this. I can go hop, 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 hoppity hop, hoppity hop, hoppity hop, 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 hoppity hop. I can hop around like this. I can go wiggle, 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 wiggle. I can wiggle around like this." And the little bat felt so warm. She flew up to her hanging place and hung upside down, feeling toasty warm. and she fell to sleep.